Good evening, UK. It's Friday and it's your host Lalit from Jammu with Dogri songs, along with my colleague Shefalika from Kashmir with Kashmiri songs. Hi, Shefalika.
Hi Lalit, good to see you again.
Hi. And we will be bringing you today songs from both Jammu and Kashmir and Dogri and Kashmiri. Along with that, we will discuss some things about this week and especially the Festival of Colors, which is just around the corner, Holi, and how Holi was played in Jammu and Kashmir, and how Holi is going to be different this year for all of us around the world. So, before we begin our today's journey, let me talk to you a bit about the first song I'm going to play today, which is a very famous Dogri song, and it has been sung by different people in different genres, and it's called Chan Mara Chadya. And this one is sung by Dharmesh Nargotra ji. In his presentation, he sung this song in a very ghazal style, and some of the Kashmiri instruments have been used in this song the way he has presented it. I have played this song previously, sung by many different other singers in traditional Dogri way, and the speciality of Dogri songs is usually that all of them are usually based on Rag Pahari, and this song is also based on Rag Pahari. And if you and Rag Pahari is a very sweet rag, and it has been used a lot in Bollywood. If you want to remember some of the songs, some of the famous song in Rag Pahari are like इशारों इशारों में दिल देने वाली बता ये हुनर तूने सीखा कहाँ है say, and the other one is हुस्न पहाड़ों का ओ साहिबा क्या कहना यहाँ 12 महीने रहे मौसम जाड़ों का. All these songs are on Rag Pahari. So let's listen to Chan Mara Chadya.
चन्न माड़ा चढ़े आओ ऊपर रजोरिया चन्न माड़ा चढ़े आओ ऊपर रजोरिया चन्न माड़ा चढ़े आओ ऊपर रजोरिया बनी जाया पखरू ते मिली जाया चोरिया बनी जाया पखरू ते मिली जाया चोरिया मिलना जरूर मिलना जरूर मेरी जान मिलना जरूर मेरी जान चन्न माड़ा चढ़े आओ ऊपर रजोरिया चढ़िया उपर बावे चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर बावे चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर बावे रुआरे पारे किया आवा तभी ठाठा मारे रुआरे पारे किया आवा तभी ठाठा मारे मिलना जरूर मेरी जान वो मिलना जरूर मेरी जान वो चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर बावे चन्ने जी दी हट्टी पर बिकदियां लाचियां चन्ने जी दी हट्टी पर बिकदियां लाचियां पाऊं तुकी अखनियां छोड़ी दे चलाकियां आऊं तुकी अखनियां छोड़ी दे चलाकियां मिलना जरूर मेरी जान मिलना जरूर मेरी जान चन्ने जी दी हट्टी पर बिकदियां लाचियां चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर रियासिया चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर रियासिया थोड़ा थोड़ा ताप जिंदे मतिए दुआसिया थोड़ा थोड़ा ताप जिंदे मतिए दुआसिया मिलना जरूर मेरी जान मिलना जरूर मेरी जान चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर बावे चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर रजोरिया चन्न माड़ा चढ़िया उपर रियासिया इया मिलन वग मेरी जानू इया मिलन वग मेरी जानू मेरी जानू मेरी जान हो
Nice song, Lalit. As you said, I could hear some of the instruments which are quite popular in Kashmir being played in the background. Well, after all, it's one union territory now. It used to be one state, so there are going to be a lot of commonalities between the two regions. And singing, of course, is one thing that binds all people together. So yeah, so we are coming closer to Holi, and it's only a few days left. And you were talking about Holi in Jammu and Kashmir. So Kashmir, as you know, it used to be very cold. It is still very cold in March. That's when Holi normally is. So growing up, I don't think we celebrated Holi that much, only because it involves a lot of colors, and if the weather is really cold, then you have to wash all everything up. So as kids, we were not very enthusiastic about having to scrub up a few times during the day in the extremely cold weather. Some years it used to be actually snowing at this time of the year, so it was especially difficult. But we used to have puja and sweets, but I don't remember throwing colors, and maybe just as a token, maybe just apply some tilak or something, but not the usual color, which throwing colors at each other that happens in other parts of India. I remember going to Delhi one Holi when I was 7 or 8 years old. I was totally amazed at how Holi was played in Delhi. And straight from the railway station, when I went to my aunt's house, we were like all random strangers were throwing colors at us, and I was thinking, what's going on? I was a bit scared as well, but then that's what it is. Holi, strangers become friends, and it is a truly community festival. So on that note, let's listen to our first Kashmiri song for today. It's a song by Ghulam Safi, who's a very popular poet, and sung by High Christian Singh. So today I've tried to assemble a few songs, Kashmiri songs, which have been sung by non-Kashmiris, and this is one of them. It's amazing how singers, they can speak in so many languages or sing in so many languages, and you can't sometimes even make out that they are not Kashmiris. So let's listen to this song first.
Tim Prusanam Harani Su Tim Prusanam Harani Su Kya gil chhum zindagani su Kya gil chhum zindagani su Sanam Harani Su Timpu Sanam Harani Su Kya gil chhum zindagani 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 su Kar has shikayat ban has kya ban has kya Kar has shikayat ban has kya ban has kya Kar has shikayat ban has kya Justi me gam jani su Justi me gam jani su झुम जिंदगानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से टिम्पू सन महारानी से टिम्पू सन महारानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से Tem son dil abad çoğaz abad çoğaz Tem son dil abad çoğaz abad çoğaz Tem son dil abad çoğaz Yani dil son Yani dil sunvarani se Yani dil sunvarani se Akil chum zindagani se Kya dil chum zindagani se Chum zindagani se Kya dil chum zindagani se दिल सुकड़ा सोचा मैयो सोचा दिल सुकड़ा सोचा मैयो सोचा दिल सुकड़ा सोचा मैयो तुमको Goodness आसानी से Goodness आसानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से टिम्पू सन महारानी से टिम्पू सन महारानी से दिल झुम जिंदगानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से क्या दिल झुम जिंदगानी से
That was a nice, lovely, soothing new ghazal from a non-Kashmiri singer. So it is even more special to see that how a non-Kashmiri singer can pronounce the word so aptly. And as we are talking about Holi today, Holi in Jammu region is a big fun fair, and especially because it is done 2 days. First day we have the bonfire, dancing around the bonfire, the puja of Holi, Holika, Dahan, and there's a lot of dhol, the songs, dancing. And then the next day is Dhulandi, when we play the colors, where we throw colors, water balloons on each other. So it is quite a peppy festival. And as Shafalika ji said, that strangers, people who don't know you, everybody becomes friends, and everybody's applying color, throwing color on you. That's the beauty of this festival. Of course, some people do misuse it as well, but let's not look at that and look at the positivity of this festival. So the next Dogri song I'm going to play is actually a Dogri ghazal. it seems like today we are doing, by coincidence, a lot of ghazals. The first song was a ghazal style, and then we had this Kashmiri ghazal, and now we have another ghazal. So this one is called Chain Hirkhiche, and this is sung by Jitendra Singh Jamwalji. I know him personally. He's a very, very good singer and a thorough gentleman, a very kind soul. He's sung in India as well as abroad in Dogri and Hindi, and his voice texture is amazingly beautiful. It will remind you of Jagjit Singh. So here I present his ghazal.
चैन खेचुमी जरा निरया चैन खेचुमी जरा निरया जख्म अपना करूं अरा निरया चैन चुमी जरा निरया जदू अपने पराए ओन लगे जदू अपने पराए ओन लगे कोई मेरे ते ओपरा निरया कोई मेरे ते ओपरा निरया जख्म अपना कदूं हरा निरया चैन खेच मी जरा निरया आलड़ा फूकिया आपू गए आलड़ा फूकी आया आपू गए डर मिगी तेरा अंबरा निरया डर मिगी तेरा अंबरा निरया जख्म अपना कदूं हरा निरया चैन खेचुमी जरा निरया तेरे आने सबर जरा निरया ही मनेगी सबर जरा निरया जख्म अपना कदूं अरा निरया चैन के चुमी जरा निरया चैन के चुमी जरा निरया.
Excellent. Nice to hear about Holi in Jammu. I don't remember ever going to Jammu over Holi, but yeah, it sounds nice. But I think that's because the weather in Jammu is totally different from that in Kashmir. It is more like plains, and it's quite warm in March and April as compared to snowing in Srinagar at this time of the year. So, but this year, Lalit, we tried to celebrate Holi in London as well, but they said nothing is going to happen. As last year also we couldn't celebrate Holi. So this is our second Holi in a row when we are not going to be able to do anything, which is quite sad. But anyway, hopefully the end is near and the pandemic is, fingers crossed, behind us. And I look forward to spending time with friends and family next year at Holi and throwing colors and eating a lot of nice food. So, Lalit, as I was telling you and the audience, that we have tried to bring some Kashmiri songs today sung by non-Kashmiri singers. So, the next singer is Sonali Dogra, as the name suggests. She is from Dogra land. And she's a very acclaimed international singer, I believe, and won the season 6 Voice of Punjab competition, which in itself is a remarkable feat. She has a very remarkable voice as well. I've heard her songs, and I believe she sings a lot of devotional songs as well. She has a unique voice, and it's amazing how well she has sung this very popular Kashmiri song, which is normally sung at weddings, and she has sung it with a lot of flair. So let's listen to Sonali Dogra as we continue with her conversations.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सोनाली, आप सबका थैंक यू. एक किश्तवाड़ी भी गाना चाहूंगी और उसी के साथ कश्मीरी भी एक मेडले साथ, ताकि हमारी ऑडियंस जो सुनना चाहती है उनके लिए जरूर होना चाहिए. वो को थोड़ा आप कर देना. ये जो मुलाकात लगी, ये जो मुलाकात वालो, ये जो मुलाकात लगी, ये जो मुलाकात वालो, नाज़नीन यार म्यानी ये जो मुलाकात, नाज़नीन यार म्यानी ये जो मुलाकात, ये जो मुलाकात वालो, ये जो मुलाकात लगी, ये जो मुलाकात, नादान यार म्यानी ये जो मुलाकात, नादान यार म्यानी ये जो मुलाकात. बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका. कि मैं ठीक भी गा रही हूँ कि नहीं, वो और फरमाना पड़ेगा। मैंने ठीक गाया किश्तवाड़ी, ये फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट था मेरा यहाँ किश्तवाड़ी, और हमेशा कोशिश करती रहूंगी कि जब भी किश्तवाड़ में आऊँ किश्तवाड़ी भी गाऊँ और कश्मीरी भी गाऊँ। अब कश्मीरी की बारी आ गई। अज़ई लाल सोनिए हो अज़ई लाल सोनिए कर सही सन पोषण मार। ताली की आवाज़ आनी चाहिए। अज़ई लाल सोनिए हो अज़ई लाल सोनिए कर सही सन पोषण मार। हो अज़ई लाल सोनिए दसंदुई मई कई दसंदुई प्यार, दसंदुई मई कई दसंदुई प्यार, दस देवा कन्नन्ना, दस देवा कन्नन्ना। खुंबतई कुंज पक हवा अज़ई लाल सोनिए हो अज़ई लाल सोनिए हो अज़ई लाल सोनिए। मुझे अशक अशक ये जो अशक, 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 या थे अशक से होता बना, ये जो अशक ये जो अशक, ये जो अशक अशक ये जो अशक, ये जो अशक अशक ये जो अशक।
Oh wow, a lovely song yet again, sung by Sonali Dogra, as said by Shefalika. Yes, Sonali is a very powerful singer from Jammu, and it is some. I think it is a blessing from Goddess Saraswati that all of these kalakars, the artists, can sing in any language with so much conviction that we cannot say that they are not known to that language. So yes, she has a powerful voice and she's a great upcoming singer. As we are talking about Holi, and as we said that Holi is so much of a fun festival, dancing, singing, colors, and mixing with people, food, kanji, laddu, and whatnot. Dahi balle is a special treat on ballas are a special treat on Holi. So, since it's about dancing and singing, my next Dogri song is a very peppy dance number, Sunne Di Pakhi. And as in when you listen to it and the tune of it, anybody who's even sitting and listening would start shaking their feet. So, enjoy Sunne Di Pakhi.
सुनने दी पक्षी चांदी दी चालर, सुनने दी पक्षी पे चांदी दी चालर।
छन पंजेब मेरे छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुझे याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के ओ आ छन 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 आरती श्रृंगार तेरे लिए सजना तेरे लिए मेरा प्यार सजना आरती श्रृंगार तेरे लिए सजना तेरे लिए मेरा प्यार सजना माथे पर बिंदलो चमके तेरा इंतजार करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुझे याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुझे याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के ओ आ छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुझे याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के ओ
Nice song. We have listening to some really lovely songs today, Lalit, and reminiscing about Holi as well. So we haven't celebrated Baisakhi, we haven't celebrated Lodi this year. Now we are not being will not be able to celebrate Holi as well. So let's hope by Diwali things come back to normal.
Yeah.
So at least we'll be able to see friends and family on Diwali. Otherwise, it's going to be another very boring year. So yeah, I remember Lalit because Jammu is a city of temples, and there is a temple in every lane. So there's a lot of devotional singing and songs. So other than throwing colors and eating on Holi, there. So I used to hear in Jammu there's a lot of bhajans and kirtan goes around on that day, which you might have be familiar with. So that adds another flavor to the Holi celebration. And my especially and in India in Mathura, Holi is spectacular. I remember my dad went to Mathura. He used to go to Mathura very often, and he came home one day and he said, "You won't even imagine how Holi is celebrated in Mathura. It's totally 10 notches higher than the rest of the country."
Yeah.
And of course, Mathura is the land of Krishna, and that it is the birthplace and
The Vrindavan.
the home
Holi.
of
Yeah.
Vrindavan. Yeah. So that is really interesting. The colors of India, and that is the point of this 8 to 9 slot, that we get to relish the various colors of India and talk about our own birthplaces. And it's a very fun journey listening to other presenters as well as they talk about their parts of the country. So moving on to another Kashmiri song by Gulzar Ganai. We played his many songs before. He has a really deep and enriching voice, and I really like the singer. And also because he sings he never sings solo. He has a troupe of singers with him. And it used to be a tradition in Kashmir, I guess it still is, that on weddings these troops used to be invited and they used to all sing together, everybody playing a different instrument. The note, which is a kind of a matka, the sarod, the rabab, and of course the harmonium. So let's listen to Gulzar Ganai.
Yardo narfat zalan kotwan vishay yarasman Laylati yarasman Yardo narfat zalan Mıddisav şana Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras Yelay kodra gira Mıddisav şana Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras van Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras Rahmatuk şabnam Kevn deryavas Lal mazrun sadfan 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 Var ki zuni Lal koldumlan Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras van Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras Var ki zuni Lal koldumlan Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras van Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras Atrey golam say Navdan mindan Şayi usum antan 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 Yeli selholta Yeli reli tenitan Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras van Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras Yeli selholta Yeli reli tenitan Vesiyyaras van 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 Ayleti yaras van Yar bunlar Salam kutman Vesiyyaras van Ayleti yaras van Duri çutbal yar Yemedi layan Hurces vekralan Duri çutbal yar Yemedi layan Hurces तस्वीर उस पे कायन बिसे यारस वन 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 आइल यारस वन यार बोल सलाम बोल बिसे यारस वन आइल यारस वन तमशाई तस्वीर उस पे कायन बिसे यारस वन 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 आइल यारस वन यार बोल सलाम बोल बिसे यारस वन आइल यारस शरीयत तरीक़त हकीकत मरफत वो न पन पीरन शरीयत तरीक़त हकीकत मरफत वो न पन पीरन ओ शरीयत तरीक़त हकीकत मरफत वो न पन पीरन शरीयत तरीक़त हकीकत मरफत वो न पन पीरन ओ सनोइन माने वन बहारन बिसे यारस वन 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 आइल यारस यार बोल सलाम बोल बिसे यारस आइल यारस सनोइन माने वन बहारन बिसे यारस वन 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 आइल यारस यार बोल सलाम बोल बिसे यारस आइल यारस आइल यारस आइल यारस आइल यारस
That was a nice Kashmiri number. And as we have been talking about Holi, I would just like to request everybody to be careful this Holi. Please follow the rules. Do not meet, do not mingle, do not get carried away. I know it is our festival. I know we all love it. We love to meet our loved ones, play with each other. But just be very careful. As we've seen in the last 2 days, UK's number has doubled in the cases. Today we have around 6,300 cases. So let's be a little more vigilant. There is light at the end of the tunnel. More people are getting vaccinated. Hopefully we will be very soon a corona-free nation. Let's keep praying for that. Let's keep looking forward to that. And meanwhile, be sensible. So ये होली अपने घर से मनाएं. ये होली सिर्फ अपने परिवार के साथ बनाएं. ये होली आप थोड़ा सा हौसला रखें. अपने घर में रहें. A happy Holi to everybody who's listening to this show, and be safe, play safe. Before I go today, and we would like to say goodbye, because with this song we will leave you and we will meet you next Friday, same time at 8 o'clock. The next song I'm going to play is again a very catchy number. It's called Isi Grind Ya Lambadao. Lambardar is like a sarpanch or the head of the village. And in this song, the girls are complaining to him that please, inu choreya inu liyo samjhai, means tell these boys not to whistle at us or not to, it's a little bit about eve teasing in a funny way. So I hope you enjoy. And with this song, we leave you and we'll meet you next Friday. Have a nice weekend.
Thank you.